What's going on, family? So today I'm back with another one. This is going to be a little different for me because I haven't done this on camera in a grip, okay? And the ones that I did do, I literally did not post them. So yeah, this one's different. I'm actually going to show y'all how to do rubber band box braids, and I'm going to show you the hair I'm using. I'm not going to show the products because, like, y'all can use whatever products that work for you. I actually did mine. I did mine, how many days ago was it? Like 3, 4?
I'd say like 3, 4.
So I did mine like 3 or 4 days ago. I did micro style because I wanted them to last long. I haven't done box braids on myself the way I wanted them in a while either. Like last year I did some, but it was a quick job. I had to literally get them done fast. I didn't have time to actually sit and do mine the way I did hers. And if y'all don't remember our hair from last year, I'm doing rubber band style on her. You see, this is all done. And I only got 8 to do on this side. So we're working on her. Now I already sectioned and rubber banded. So you basically section it off, then you rubber band it to whichever way you want it to fall. But I did hers with a simple split in the center. You know, I normally always give her the part where it falls like that, but this time, no. Wanna know why I fall? Cause she real reckless with her hair. I mean, really. And I ain't talking about kinda, I mean like really, really. Lies or what? Don't act like you don't know. But I got the good hair scissors. 2 different rat tail combs, regular combs, and this hair. And no, I'm not sponsored. If y'all do want to sponsor me though, get at me. But I have this hair. And I actually really like it. I'm going to do a review on this because I really, really do like it a lot. It's not all rough and all of that. Like, you know how your fingers be getting cut up from the dang on hair because it's all rough. This is soft. Like, it's mad soft. And it don't get tangled up a lot either. So I like this hair a lot. Got 2, I guess you would call it little bundle things, but it got 2 of them in there, and mine is T1B/blue. That's why you see the blue on the end and it's blended in the center. Yeah. But I also separate the hair, but I'm about to show y'all real fast what I do. Alright, so like I said, this is already sectioned off. So I'm gonna clip this so y'all can see it better. Alright, that way y'all can see it better. This is one of the braids. I'm gonna push these to the back real quick. Put the products on the hair that I'm using. Rub it on there. I wish I could explain to y'all better on how much hair you need per braid, but it depends on your sizes. Like, she has medium. Some people might even call it small. It ain't small. It's medium to me. Like, Well, honestly, the best way that I do it is I actually measure it to the hair. So the thickness of this is what I'm gonna add to it for real. So, and I normally have this separated as well, but I'm doing this to show y'all. So I grab about that much. Smooth it down. Oh, and my braids are mixed with purple in certain sections. And I was going to leave her a little bit, but yeah, it went a little fast. We're going to start the braid. Alright, so you take the hair, wrap it around a rubber band, and you start your plait. Make sure you stay close to the scalp so it doesn't slide. I do a couple plaits down, like a couple twists down. Then I grab from the one side of the braid. I grab from that side and twist a couple times. Fucking tangled hair. I don't know if y'all can see, but her hair and there's some of the blue that's mixed. So do a twist to grab from the next. So you take from the next strand to add to that center, which is still her hair. Now her hair is basically completely wrapped with that strand, and I took from both strands. That way it's even going all the way down. And once you have it gripped on, you just braid. So I'm gonna turn you this way so it don't get all goofy looking. Alright guys, I'm sorry if y'all hear the dog in the background acting a dang on fool. Down braid. But you braid all the way down. Speed this section up. We're on the next braid now. Cause I'm gonna show y'all one more time. I already separated the hair. You wrap it around the base of the head, which is the rubber band, the scalp, your roots. And don't ever put the rubber bands in too tight. You are literally ripping people's hair out when you do that. Don't put them in too tight. Their head's already going to be sensitive just from the hairstyle alone. Like, if you're not used to getting anything done to your hair, you just wear ponytails or wear a wrap, whatever, I promise you, your scalp going to hurt from all the tugging and all that. And then after you do the rubber bands and they ain't in too tight, don't pull on the hair. All that tension literally is popping from the roots. Literally, you're popping here around the rubber band area. You don't want to do that. Anyway, back to this. You wrap the dang on strands around each other a couple times. Right. Start blending the hair with the strands of I'm gonna say blue strands for y'all because Yeah. So start wrapping it around and pull from opposite strands. That way it comes out evenly. And then you continue to braid all the way down. Now with the way I'm sitting, honestly, like just because I'm sitting the way I'm sitting right now, it could lump up in sections, which I will fix, but it ain't too bad right here, which I thank Jesus for. Now, I just showed y'all how to attach it. Now you see these, they are nice and pretty. I just gave y'all 2 examples of how to do it. There's different ways to do it. I'll do another video with that part, but like we just doing a rubber band style right now. And I did the 2-strand technique. There's people who like to wrap it, pull it in where you have 3 strands and then you braid. I do that too. But this time I said, no, I'm just gonna go straight for it. Which that's what I did. We lock it. So we'll be back then.
My bestie is a bad bitch.